Alright, in this video, happy late 2021 to you custom folks, you Android folks. I know I have been relatively quiet with the custom tutorials for 2021 so far, especially when I was on that grind doing at least one tutorial just about every week. Well, a lot of things have happened in 2021. My kindergarten son, he's been learning virtually at home while I've been teaching 6 online classes at home. My family and I have moved over the past few weeks. And a lot of things have been going on, but yes, I am still actively engaging in custom tutorials. And what you see here is something that I'm working on, and I want some feedback from you all. If you haven't been to www.bcraftmath.com/KLWP, or if you have, you will see this link right here, the Parallax Pack. And that will take you to this Parallax Pack page. This is what I've been working on for the past few months, using various pieces of software, Affinity Designer, Cinema 4D, X Particles. And I'm working on Parallax Packs for your custom live wallpaper, but these can be used in any custom app. Now, right now I have 5 that are set to be released sometime in the near future, but I want you all to test these out. So I will leave a link to this page in the description below, as well as a pinned comment, but I want you to test it out, and that's what we can do right here. This will take you to a Google survey, and basically you can download the file right here. And once you download it, you test it out. If you don't know how to load a preset, then Google that. I don't want to jump into loading presets and whatnot, but I want you to test this preset out. There's a bunch of things you can customize, and I do want you to answer these questions. And if you do so and you submit the survey, you will be given an incentive, a discount code to apply to the Parallax Pack when it becomes available. So here is that free sample. And this pretty much mimics the peaks and valleys here. I've just thrown my logo onto these. But you can see we do have some parallax. Now for me, I'm testing this on a Galaxy Note 20 and it loads up just fine, but I want to see how it loads up on other devices, tablets, other cell phones, maybe some of the older devices. And that's where I'm going to be looking for feedback from you all. Again, you can download this sample as I mentioned before, and please answer those few questions in that brief survey. And by default, it's set to 3 for the screen count, but you can adjust that to your liking. And then feel free to head on over to the globals. Do not adjust any of the images themselves, but you can adjust the sizes of each image, the speeds, as well as the colors. Test it out, save it, and see how long it takes to load onto your home screen. For me, it's about 2 seconds. But again, the feedback from you all through trying this free sample out is going to allow me to make these assets even better. And just to go ahead and throw this out there, I mean, this Parallax Pack, when it does become available, it's going to be a one-time purchase, and I'm going to constantly add updates to this. One-time purchase, you'll get the free updates throughout the life of the Parallax Pack. But more on that later. If you're interested in this, please head over to my website, download the free sample, complete the brief survey, and I would really appreciate it. And again, sorry I've been silent for quite a bit this year with the tutorials, but I am not going anywhere anytime soon. I look forward to hearing what you have to say about these, and that's it for this video. I hope it helped.